Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VCHS. We're your hosts, Jackson.
And I'm Kelly. Let's start out with today's lunch. Today we will be enjoying chicken and pasta with Alfredo sauce, steamed broccoli, carrots, and garlic bread, peaches, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebration with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Avalon, and here are today's top 5 news stories. Self-driving car hits child near California elementary school. Tesla ends the production of the Model S and X vehicles to focus on robots. Santa Clara citizen dressed as Batman addressed city councilor over Super Bowl policing concerns. China deploying AI-powered robots to manage traffic and pedestrian traffic in cities. President Trump to close the Kennedy Center for 2 years for renovations.
Next, here's today's word and quote of the day.
Disillusionment. A feeling of disappointment resulting from the discovery that something is not as good as one believed it to be.
The best way to predict your future is to create it. Abraham Lincoln.
As we start a new week, we want to know, what's your favorite breakfast cereal?
I'm Mr. Salmons. My favorite breakfast food is biscuits and gravy.
My name is Lucas Balthrop, and I'd probably go with bacon.
My name is Harvard Barajas, and my favorite breakfast food is French toast.
Hello, my name is Lana Hendershot. My favorite breakfast is pancakes and bacon.
My name is Jalen, and I like bacon, egg, and cheese.
With a full week ahead of us, we have quite a bit going on. Let's check out these quick announcements.
Tuesday is meme day, Wednesday is white lies, Thursday is dress for the wrong occasion, and Friday is the Cupid colors. Make sure your stuff is school appropriate.
West Elementary is looking for volunteers for its Family Fun Day on Sunday, February 15th.
If you are interested, scan the QR code on the screen to sign up.
With the warming trend coming, let's look at today's weather.
Hello, I'm Jakob Bryant. Here's today's weather. Today we'll have a high of 71 degrees with sunny skies and winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And tonight we will have a low of 43 degrees and winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We'll leave you with this day in history. Stay classy, VC.